Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to split screen using Filmora editor. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to this channel to stay updated. So here I have 4 videos added to media in Filmora. Now first I'm going to show you how to split screen with 2 videos, and next I'm going to also show you how to split screen with 4 videos. So first of all, if we want to split screen, we have to navigate to templates here. And under templates on the left hand side, expand split screen section. Okay, now you'll notice a variety of options on how you can split your screen. So I'm going to scroll down here, and let's say I want to split screen vertically with 2 videos like this here. So I'm going to navigate over this plus sign, which is add to project, left click on it. And as you can see, we've just added split screen 1 to our project here. And on the preview window, you also see these 2 sections, 1 and 2. So all we have to do is just navigate to media. And now we can literally just grab a video, drag and drop it to 1. So this is our first video, and any other video, let's say this one, to number 2. Now if I move the playhead to the start, replay, that's our 2 videos split vertically in a full screen. Okay. Now, if you don't want to see this animation intro, on the right hand side in video basic, you just need to deactivate this split screen animation option. And also, if you don't want to see this border here, just deactivate border as well. And now if I replay, that's our videos split vertically with no animation and no borders. Now, one other thing is, if you left click on any of these videos, let's say this one here, you have an option to zoom out or in on your video. And if you click on this one, you have the same option, zoom in or out. Okay. And one other thing is, on this project in video track 1, you're able to just left click on the right hand side border and adjust the duration of your project. So if you have a long video, you can increase the length, increase the duration. If you have a short video, you can reduce it. Okay, this is how you can split screen with 2 videos in Filmora. Now I'm going to delete this one from video track 1 and navigate back to templates, and I'll find something for 4 videos. So let's say I want to add this one where I prioritize 1 video on half of the screen and the other 3 on the right hand side. I can see I don't have this effect downloaded. No worries, I just click download, it's done, and then add to project like that. Move the playhead to the start. Okay, now go back to media as well, like we did before, and just drag the videos that you want to see here. So let's say I want to have this one on the biggest screen here, and then all the other ones I'll just drag and drop it to the other sections. And now if I replay, this is our split screen effect with 4 videos. And then again, on the right hand side under video basic, you can deactivate animation, deactivate border, or you can change the color of the border if you wish. And this is it, guys. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.